Is your AI system really as secure as you believe it to be? As we increasingly integrate artificial intelligence into our critical systems, we open a whole new world of potential threats. From autonomous cars to financial markets, AI systems are becoming the beating heart of our digital world. But with this advancement comes vulnerability. Imagine the devastating effects of a successful cyber attack on these systems. The consequences could be catastrophic. The question is not if an AI system can be hacked, but when and how. Consider the 2016 cyber attack on the AI system of a major tech company. This was not a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a real-life incident that exposed the vulnerabilities of artificial intelligence. Hackers, armed with sophisticated tools and techniques, breached the defenses of the AI system, causing significant damage and disruption. The hackers exploited weak spots in the AI's programming, bypassing the system's security protocols. They manipulated the AI, causing it to behave in unpredictable and potentially harmful ways. This led to a considerable loss of data, financial resources, and most importantly, trust. This incident served as a wake-up call to tech companies worldwide. It highlighted the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures to protect AI systems. From regular system audits to advanced threat detection tools, companies have to be proactive in safeguarding their AI systems. This incident underscores the critical need for stringent security measures in AI systems. So, what does this mean for the future of AI systems and cybersecurity? Well, it brings us back to the two significant points we've discussed. Firstly, AI systems, no matter how advanced, have inherent vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Secondly, the real-life cyber attack example from 2016 shows the potential devastating consequences if these vulnerabilities aren't addressed. It underscores the fact that robust cybersecurity measures are vital. In the world of AI, cybersecurity isn't just an option, it's a necessity.